Good morning, children. Today I am discussing the remaining part of life processes of class 10, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Video 2. Heterotrophic nutrition, a type of nutrition in which first, organisms depend upon other organisms for food to survive. Second, organisms are unable to prepare food through photosynthesis due to absence of chlorophyll. For example, parrot is green but it has no chlorophyll. Parrot cannot prepare food through photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. Example of heterotrophic nutrition: humans, we, all animals, fungi. These are also called heterotrophs, having heterotrophic mode of nutrition. B. Second, now types of heterotrophic nutrition. First is holozoic nutrition. Solid food or food take into the body of the organism as a whole, that is called ingestion. First step of holozoic nutrition. Second, digestion of ingested food. This is the second step of nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Absorption of digested food. Third step of holozoic nutrition. Fourth step of holozoic nutrition is assimilation of absorbed food. And the fifth and last step of holozoic nutrition is egestion of unabsorbed food and undigested food through anus in case of higher animals like human, dog, cow, etc. Holozoic nutrition in amoeba. It is important for the examination point of view. Amoeba is a one-celled or unicellular organism. It is eukaryotic, having nucleus. First step, ingestion through pseudopodia, or pseudopodia is false food. Amoeba food particles ingested by the pseudopodia. Second step, digestion. Food vacuoles. After ingestion, food vacuole is formed, and food vacuole have enzymes entering outside the food vacuole. Second step, digested food diffuses out from the food vacuole. Fourth step is assimilation. Amoeba grow. Fifth step is egestion in amoeba through diffusion. These undigested and unused food particles throw out into the water by diffusion process, because amoeba is a water animal and surrounding of amoeba is water. Assimilation, transportation of food to the target part of the cell or area or organ in case of higher organisms. Figure, diagrammatic representation of different steps of nutrition in amoeba with main points of its description. Note, nutrition in human and in ruminant animals having rumen like grass or cellulose eating animals will be discussed later or in next video. Holozoic nutrition, three types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Plant eaters, flesh eaters, omnivores, both plant and meat eaters. Now the second type of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic nutrition or parasitism. Parasite organism obtain its food from other living organisms like cuscuta, lice, fleas, tapeworms, etc. Host, other living organism from whom a parasite obtains food like human host for lice, tapeworms, bubble, mango tree host for cuscuta or amarbel. Third type of heterotrophic nutrition is saprophytes. Saprotroph organisms that obtain food from dead and decaying substances. Example of saprotrophs: bacteria, fungi, mushroom. Saprotrophs digest food externally before the nutrients are absorbed. Now, other types of nutrition. Fourth, mutualism or symbiotic relationship. In this method of nutrition, both organisms are mutually benefited. Examples: the best examples of mutualism or symbiotism is lichens. Lichens is a mutually relationship between an alga and a fungus. Alga prepares food in presence of sunlight through photosynthesis. Alga gives or provides food to the fungus, and fungus obtains food from the alga. This is the benefit take from alga. And fungus help in transportation of food in algal body, different parts of algal body. So in mutualism or symbiotism, both the organisms, alga and fungus, are get benefited. Next is insectivorous plant. Example: pitcher plants. Insectivorous plant having hydrolytic enzymes in the inner wall of pitcher help in digestion of captured insect. So this is a heterotrophic nutrition. Next type of nutrition in insectivorous plant is a autotrophic. Insectivorous plant having leaves also prepare food through photosynthesis. This is autotrophic nutrition. So insectivorous plants show both autotrophic and heterotrophic methods of nutrition. Now for assignment. This is the question number 1, 2, A, B, C, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Sixth question is explain with diagrams nutrition in amoeba. We will meet in next video. Thanks.